If you have been kind enough to watch my videos on social media the last several months, then you know that my firm handles lots of cases that involve commercial vehicles, tractor trailers, trucking wrecks. Wanted to talk a little bit today about some recent results that we had that the Daily Report thought enough of to make an article about that we were very proud of, and talk a little bit more about these types of cases. My friend and colleague Andy Goldner is with me here today. We work on these types of cases together all the time. Thought it would be good for Andy to make a guest appearance and give his kind of thoughts on how we approach these kind of cases.
So commercial vehicle wreck cases are very, very interesting. Certainly enjoyed working with you on a number of them. Quickly to hit the major topics that we dive into immediately when we get a commercial wreck case. We send an accident recon team to map the scene, download the vehicles, and pull off what amounts to like black box data, almost like from an airplane. We look at the driver's commercial driver's license, his driving history, often very different than a routine private driver's license. We look at the trucking company. What's their history like? How many wrecks have they been in the last couple of years? How do they train and supervise their drivers? We look at insurance coverage. As many folks may guess, commercial companies have to carry a larger amount of insurance as far as a minimum limit than a private driver. Commercial interstate limits, when a truck crosses state lines, the minimum is $750,000, although often larger companies carry more. So we look at all avenues of insurance coverage. And the last sort of initial thing that we look at and make sure is flowing smoothly is the treatment that our clients get. Clients are often badly injured by large commercial motor vehicles, and we want to make sure that they're in the hands of good, competent, and caring doctors.
That's exactly right. The one that we most recently resolved involved a very severe hip fracture that required emergency surgery. We feel really good about applying what Andy just talked about to developing this case for our client. It married a lot of the stuff we talked about in prior videos, putting a really good demand package together, finding proper uninsured motorist coverage. This client had a ton, utilizing mediation services to avoid litigation. All these things that kind of came together for really a great result for our clients. So happy to share more details with anybody if they want to give either Andy or me a call. And Andy, appreciate you coming in here today and talking a little about how we handle these cases.